In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a missing item on your Uber Eats order. Picture this: you eagerly await your food delivery, only to find that something you were looking forward to is missing. Don't worry, reporting the issue is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the Uber Eats website. If you bookmark the page or often order online, you'll probably get there in no time. Once you're on the site, make sure you're logged into your account. It's crucial to be signed in, otherwise, you won't be able to access your order history and report the missing item. So, if you're not automatically logged in, go ahead and sign in by entering your login details. Now that you're logged in, locate the section that displays your order history. This area is your go-to for tracking past orders and, in this case, reporting any issues. Browse through your recent orders and select the specific one that contains the missing item. Take your time to ensure you have the right order, as you want to report the correct meal, maximizing the effectiveness of the support you'll receive. With the correct order in view, search for an option that allows you to report an issue or a problem with the order. Uber Eats typically has a straightforward interface with buttons leading you in the right direction. Tap or click on the option to report an issue. This will usually bring up a menu or a series of choices related to potential problems with your order. Now, it's time to specify what the issue is. In this case, we're focusing on a missing item. Look for and select the option specifically dedicated to reporting missing items. This ensures that your request is directed correctly, streamlining the resolution process. Once you've done that, follow any on-screen instructions provided. These instructions will lead you through the final steps of submitting your refund request. Make sure to review the details you provide for accuracy. Your request shouldn't take long to submit, and doing this correctly ensures there's no delay in resolving the issue. After submission, Uber Eats will review your request. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your case. They typically process these requests promptly, but times might vary based on how busy they are. That's it for today's video on reporting a missing item with Uber Eats. Hopefully, this guide makes the process a breeze for you so you can focus on enjoying your meals without worry. Thank you for watching and happy ordering.